Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to see how to make a LED blink with an ESP32. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's see the components you will need to make a LED blink. We will use a ESP32 V1 as it has got two LEDs on it pre-built. The other thing you are going to need is a USB Type-A data cable. Now let's get started. Open your PC or a laptop. If you don't know how to use the Arduino IDE, please refer to my channel. There is a video dedicated on how to use the Arduino IDE. I will provide you the code to upload in the description. Please refer to the description and copy and paste it in it. Once you open the IDE, it is a good time to connect your ESP32 with the computer. Once you connect the ESP with the computer successfully, you will see a red light glowing on the ESP32. Once successfully you have connected your ESP to the computer, on the right side bottom you will see something like this. Now just erase what is there and paste the code which is there in the description. Click on the upload button and wait for it to be compiled. It depends on your laptop or your PC specs how fast the code will compile. Again, please like and subscribe to the channel as I will be bringing more videos like this in the future. Once your code is finished compiling, it will start uploading the code to the ESP. In the output monitor, you can see the code is being uploaded. Wait for it to finish uploading. Once the code finishes uploading, you will see something like this on your ESP32. You will see a blue LED blinking. Congratulations, now you have stepped in the world of microcontrollers.